Everyone is making this Oreo recipe. I'll start by adding about 6 ounces of Oreos, about half a pack to this pan with hot water. I'll stir it well until everything melts and turns into a smooth, creamy mixture. You're going to fall in love with the result. The flavor is absolutely amazing. Once it's fully melted and creamy, we'll transfer it to a bowl. Look at this texture, and it already smells so good. Now add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix everything well until fully combined and smooth. And tell me what city you're watching from, because I love giving special shout outs. Today's shout out goes to Donna Hagerbohm from Johnston, Rhode Island. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Thank you so much for the love. Now I'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to sift it to make the batter lighter and lump-free. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This time I'll mix it using a whisk, so the batter turns out lighter, fluffier, and super soft. Everyone loves this recipe, especially kids. It's very easy and quick to make, guaranteed success. Now just pour everything into a greased baking pan. You can already tell this is going to be good. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. While it bakes, let's make the topping, and it's absolutely amazing. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of powdered milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir until smooth and start cooking until it thickens slightly. Now add 7 ounces of heavy cream. Mix again until you get a thick, creamy consistency. Once it reaches this texture, it's perfect. Our cake is ready and it smells incredible. Look how beautiful it turned out. Now let's spread this delicious topping all over the cake. This is next level good. It's so tasty, it won't last long in your house. I'll cut a slice for you. Look at this, soft, moist, and full of flavor. I'll add a little more of that delicious topping. Delicious. This cake will surprise everyone at home. Enjoy.